Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make tiramisu sauce, only way. Start by gathering strong espresso, mascarpone, egg yolks, sugar, and a splash of rum or coffee liqueur. Whisk yolks and sugar until ribboning, then temper with hot espresso slowly to avoid scrambling. Fold in mascarpone gently until silky, and chill briefly to thicken. Finish with sifted cocoa powder just before serving for best texture and contrast. Begin by measuring ingredients precisely: 120 g mascarpone, 3 egg yolks, 40 g sugar, 60 ml espresso, and 1 tablespoon liqueur. Chill the mascarpone and cup so the sauce sets faster. Heat espresso until steaming but not boiling, then slowly stream it into whisked yolks while stirring constantly. Combine tempered eggs with mascarpone using a folding motion to preserve air and create a creamy, stable sauce perfect for layering. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more recipe guides. Quick recommendation. On another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for unbeatable comfort while you bake. They stay comfy during long kitchen sessions and worth every step. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Whisking technique matters. Beat yolks and sugar until pale and slightly thick, then add espresso gradually to temper. Use a fine strainer to catch any cooked bits and keep the sauce smooth. When folding mascarpone, use gentle strokes to incorporate without deflating the mixture, preserving a light, airy texture. Taste and tweak sweetness or coffee intensity as needed, then chill briefly so the sauce firms up for clean layers and easy slicing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.